Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful wooden door designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs with different colors. So friends, if you have any queries regarding to the doors, you can ask me in the comment box. I will see that I can give all your answers. So friends, there are the some benefits of a wooden doors. Like first one is the versatility. Wooden doors can be made to suit and fit just about any home. Change the size, wood type, and design of your door to make it the best choice for you. The great thing about the wooden is that pretty much anything is possible. So choose the between light and dark painted or even engraved doors. Another benefit is natural insulator. We all get worried about our heating bills from the time to time, but having a wooden door could just take the edge off. Wood is a fantastic natural insulator that will trap the heat in your home, meaning you can avoid turning the thermostat up as much. In turn, this will also keep your home cool in the summer months. And most benefit is that durability. Wooden doors can last up to 30 years when taken care of properly. They can withstand structural change, weathering, and other trauma really well and can be repaired much easier than any other materials. Simply make sure to stain and finish your door regularly to keep it looking its best. Another most benefit it is environmentally friendly as well as lasting years. Timbers doors are also very environmentally friendly for other reasons. Wooden doors are made of natural materials, meaning they can be upcycled or recycled again and again. They also work to store carbon and release oxygen, making them great for your carbon footprint. Another advantages of wooden door is aesthetically pleasing. There is no doubt that wooden doors look great. They suit most styles of homes and can even add to the value of your property when cared for properly. So whether you choose timber for your front door, back door, or even your interiors, it shows to look fantastic. Another advantages of its security. Many of us look for new doors that provide a good deal of security. Wooden doors are sturdy, solid, and work to keep your home safe. Simply pair your front and back doors with quality locks. A five your mortise is generally the favorite keeping unwanted guests. Another advantage is timeless. Wooden doors never go out of fashion whether you're looking to install them on a new build or a renovated property. So you're sure to find an elegant style suit you. So I love that wooden doors can also be painted to reflect changes in the look of your property over the years. Another advantage of its weather resistant. Wooden doors that are maintained properly are weather resistant. Make sure you protect your door with the paint or varnish and seals the border of it. Keep even the harshest weather conditions. So you can ever buy weather mask to deflect rain running down the door if you wish. Another advantage is noise insulation. No one wants to hear the roadside outside or the street while trying to get to sleep at night. So luckily wooden doors are great at keeping noise out so you can get the most of your space. And the most important benefit of the wooden door is it's increase your home's value. Giving the exterior of your property a facelift prior to selling is a fantastic way to increase its value. So choosing Change your front and back doors or even add wooden doors to your interior for fantastic and elegant look. Wooden doors have become a real favorite in the recent years. So when you're planning to make the wooden doors, these are all the some important benefits and keep. First, you prepare the proper plan. You select the material for wood door. Second, you select the size. And the most important part of the wooden door is the finish of. So when you're planning to make the door, keeping in this some points, you can make your home door more beautiful and stylish. Like in this video, you can see there are the different doors designs and with different colors, different shades, and with different sizes. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel because here I bring the latest and modern interior design ideas and tips to make your home more beautiful. So friends, if you like my video, then please like and share this video. Thank you so much.